October 12th, 2022. It's been almost a year and a half now. So, Nissan, I'm a bit angry. Sitting in my 2022 Nissan Leaf. I bought this brand new. I can't imagine ever going back to a gas car again. This thing is just, it's a joy to drive. I bought the 2017 for my kids to drive. The range wasn't that great. It had 9 bars remaining at the time. So I thought, well, it's good enough for my kids to use to drive to school and back, to drive to events just around town, that kind of stuff. Less than 6 months after I had it, it dropped. The 9th bar went to 8 bars. October 12th is when I brought it in for warranty battery replacement. They approved the warranty replacement of the battery. I kept it and I drove it for a little bit, but that winter it started going into turtle mode when I was on the highway.
Are you a member of the Turtle Club?
Well, not exactly.
Not exactly, but am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club?
And it would just start slowing down. It would go in turtle mode. I couldn't keep speed. It would slow down. So it just wasn't safe. So last December, I think it was last January, so basically a year ago, I took it in. I'm like, you guys hold on to it. They told me at the time it was going to be a few weeks or maybe a few months. Well, that was a year ago. I'm still waiting. What really makes me mad is that those who have 2018 Leafs, the 2018 was the first year of the second generation, which is what I have. My 2022 is the second generation. Nissan is giving them preference. If you have a second generation, you're getting preference for battery replacement.
That's not fair.
So those like me who've had the 2017 and I've been waiting for over a year, we're getting pushed back and back because Nissan's giving them preference. I guess because they're the newer generation. It's stupid. It's not fair. I believe it's unethical. So I just wanted to call Nissan out and say, hey, stop doing this. You need to give out the batteries fairly to those who have been waiting longest. That makes sense to me. And that's the way I believe it should be. So, Nissan, please give me my battery. I want my car back. So I understand that this car is not going to be good for road trips. I knew that when I bought it, and I'm okay with that. We have other cars that I can use for road trips. But I've been taking really good care of the battery. I only charge to 80 to 85% every day. Even in the summer times when it gets over 100 degrees or so, I will not even drive this car to try to keep the battery in good health. So Nissan, I'm really trying to take care of the battery in this thing because I don't know if you're gonna replace it. Maybe in a few years, you guys are gonna give priority to the other car. So, Nissan, I'm calling you out. Please get your act together. Do not give priority to the new generation Nissans. I believe that's unethical. Anyway, thank you for watching my rant, and I'll see you on the next one.